everyone. I am Dr. Pranjali Vish, and today we will going to perform Abel's closed cup apparatus. So, where do we use this apparatus? We use this apparatus to check the flash and fire point of the given lubricating oil. So, let us discuss about the apparatus first. This is the apparatus in front of you. It is known as Abel closed cup apparatus. Now, what are the different parts of the apparatus? This is the thermometer, which is dipped into the oil to check the temperature of the lubricating oil. This is the oil cup. It is of brass, and just since the apparatus is closed cup, what does it means? It means that the oil cup is closed from the top. Hence, it is known as Abel's closed cup apparatus. Now, this is the lid of the apparatus. We can open it also. Just little tight. So, this is the lid we have opened. So, this is the brass oil cup in which we will going to fill the oil of calculated quantity. Now, let us know about the lid. This is the opening to check the temperature. So, we will going to insert the thermometer through this opening, and this is the stirrer. As you can see, the stirrer is used to make the constant temperature inside the oil cup, and this is the shutter. The shutter is opened and this is closed. So, this is the opening through which the vapors of the oil will come in contact with the atmospheric oxygen and will form the inflammable mixture. Until and unless we will not get the sufficient quantity of the vapors, we will not get the flash point of the lubricant. Since the apparatus is closed cup, so the fire point is not visible in this apparatus. We just know, we can just guess the flame size. And by checking the flame size, we will going to note down the temperature for the flash point. Okay, now this is the lid. I will going to close this. We will going to fill the calculated quantity of oil inside the brass oil cup. Then we will going to close this lid like this. And then we will going to insert the thermometer like this. Right? So this is all about the oil cup and the assembly. Now, how do we going to heat this oil? So, again in this apparatus, we will going to do the indirect heating process. So, this is the water bath. As you can see, we will going to fill this water bath through the water from this point. And this is again the insertion for the thermometer to check the temperature of the water if required. Now, this is how we can remove the water bath. And inside the water bath, you can see there is a heater. A coil is present. Through this heater, once we will going to connect this heater with the external circuit, then the heater will going to heat up. As a result, the water bath which is kept over this heater will going to heat up the water. As a result of this heating, the temperature of the water bath will increase. That is, the rise in temperature inside the water will take place. And this temperature which is surrounding the brass oil cup will going to increase the temperature of the oil as well. So, this is how the indirect heating will take place. That is heater, then heater will going to heat up the water, then water will going to heat up the oil. Now, as we have done in the Cleveland open cup apparatus, we have taken the first reading at room temperature. So, similarly, we will going to check the flash point at room temperature first. So, how I will going to check it? This is the spirit lamp, as you can see here. So, I will going to burn this stick. And we are going to bring this stick towards the mouth of this brass oil cup, and I am going to open the shutter. Now, through this shutter, the vapors will come out, and as you can see, there are no vapors formed. So, the ignition is being off. So, no flash point is reached at room temperature. Now, what we will going to do? We will going to increase the temperature. Now, for every 5 degree rise in temperature, I will going to repeat the same process. And how we are going to check the 5 degree rise in temperature? Through this thermometer. And the temperature at which the size of the flame will increase. The temperature at which the size of this flame increase, then we will mark that temperature as the flash point of the oil. Since the apparatus is closed cup, so we will not able to see the fire point of the oil. So we are going to check and note down the flash point of the oil. So this is all about the apparatus and the process. Thank you.